Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy shrug, and this is done in the linen stitch, and it's a very flexible, stretchy stitch. And to make this easy shrug, you're going to work a large rectangle. You're going to start with a foundation chain that's as long as you would like your shrug to be. It's going to be worked sideways. And then you're going to work as many rows as you want for the sleeves to be as long as you like. Then you're going to fold this rectangle in half. You're going to sew the bottom seam, and that is going to form the sleeves. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a very large hook, which is a 9mm, and that will give you this open mesh style texture. So we're going to start with a slip knot, and work your foundation chain as long as you would like your shrug to be. And when your foundation chain is the correct length, you're going to single crochet in the third stitch from the hook. And that is going to count as a chain one and a single crochet. Now you're going to chain one, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, chain one, skip the next stitch, single crochet in the next, chain one, skip, single crochet, like that, and you're going to continue that all the way across the row. Okay, that's how that looks. You have your single crochet and your chain one space. Like that. At the end of the row, you're going to chain two, 1, 2, and turn. And that will count as your first single crochet and a chain one. And now you're going to find that first chain one space. Find that first chain one space, single crochet in that chain one space. Chain one. Find the next chain one space, single crochet in that chain one space. Chain one. Find the chain one space, single crochet. Chain one. So you're skipping the single crochet and you're working into the chain one space. And it gets easier as the rows go along. And that's how you work the linen stitch or the moss stitch. And you're going to continue to repeat this row over and over. I'm going to work to the end so I can show you how to finish the end of the row. Okay, at the end of the row, chain one, and then you're going to find that turning chain, and you're going to work into that space. Like that. So you just continue to work that row over and over, and that is chain two and turn. Find that first chain one space, single crochet, and chain one, skip that single crochet, find the chain 1 space, single crochet in the chain 1 space. And you're just going to keep repeating that row over and over until this rectangle is long enough to reach as long as you would like the sleeves to be. And then you're going to fold the rectangle in half like this. And you're going to just sew on the 2 ends. Like this. And you just make sure that you leave enough in the center to reach across the back. And after this is sewn up, this is going to be the sleeves on each end, like that. And that's how easy it is to crochet this linen stitch shrug. And you could also wear this as a scarf in the cool weather. And I'll also put a link below on how to make your own shawl pins.